Imagine taking something you already love doing, like gardening, sewing, photography, even baking cookies, and turning it into a way to earn extra income. Sounds pretty good, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take the hobbies you already enjoy and transform them into simple income streams that fit perfectly into your senior years. Hi, I'm Rainey, and welcome to the channel. This is the place where seniors and soon-to-be seniors can discover enjoyable ways to earn extra income, to live with more freedom and make these years truly fulfilling. I'm walking that same path right now along with you. So if you'd like to join a community that supports each other's success, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, let's get into it. Here's how you can turn your hobbies into income after 55. First, list what you already love doing. Start by writing down the things you already enjoy. Do you love gardening, crafting, playing an instrument? Maybe you're the go-to person in your family for baking pies or fixing things around the house. Write it all down. You might be surprised at how much value is already in your everyday hobbies. Next, think about who could use what you already do. Maybe your neighbors, they might need gardening help. Parents may want a tutor for their child. Maybe local shops interested in handmade crafts. You don't have to look far. The people around you often need exactly what you love doing. Don't overcomplicate it. Start small. Offer your hobby as a service to just one or two people. For example, if you like knitting, make a few items and show them to your friends or at a local craft fair. If you enjoy photography, start by offering to take photos at a family event. The key is to begin. You can always expand later. Now, here's where people get stuck. They start to worry. Who would pay me for this? The truth is, people will pay for convenience. They'll pay for skill, and they'll pay for quality. So start with a fair, simple price. You can always adjust as you gain experience. And finally, let people know about it. You don't need a website or a big advertising budget to start. Word of mouth and maybe a local Facebook group or even a flyer at the library can work wonders. Just let people know that you're available and proud to offer your hobby as a service. So there you have it, 5 simple steps to turn the things you already love into enjoyable income after 55. Write down your hobbies, find who needs them, keep it simple, set a fair price, and share it with the world. Imagine how good it will feel to earn while doing something you already enjoy. And remember, these are just a few ideas. I've gathered over 100 enjoyable income opportunities for seniors in my Senior Income Encyclopedia. If you'd like to explore even more possibilities, check in the link in the description below this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you'll always have new income ideas and inspiration coming your way. Thanks for watching. And remember, your hobbies aren't just pastimes. They can be pathways to joy, purpose, and extra income. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.